Hello viewers, today we are talk about André Derain, a revolutionary French painter. Please like and subscribe this channel and share this video. André Derain, 1880 to 1954, was a French painter, sculptor, and co-founder of Fusion, a revolutionary art movement that emerged in the early 20th century, known for his bold use of color and innovative techniques. Darius played a key role in shaping modern art. Born on 10 June 1880 in France, Darius grew up in a middle class family. His early interests leaned toward engineering and studied at the technical school in Paris. However, his passion for art eventually led him to enroll at the Academia Carrière in 1898. There he met Henri Matisse, who would later become a lifelong friend and collaborator. In the early 90s, Darin joined forces with Matisse to develop Fusion, an art style characterized by vibrant, unnatural colors and expressive brushwork. The term Fusion, meaning wild west, was coined by critics to describe the movement's boldness. Darren's work from this period, such as The Turning Road, showcased vivid colors and playful scenes of composition. His fewest painting captured landscapes, portraits, and urban scenes, focusing on emotional expression rather than realistic representation. Darren's formed a close partnership with Mercy, another fierce pioneer. Together, they painted scenes along the Seine River, experimenting with dynamic color plates. In 1905, Darien joined Matisse and Velmar in the famous Salon d'Ottoman exhibition in Paris, which brought Fusion to the public eyes. Darien also befriended Pablo Picasso, who introduced him to Cubism and other avant garde ideas. Although he admired Picasso's work, Darin preferred to maintain his unique artistic voice. By 1910, Darin moved away from Fusion, adopting a more subdued and classical style influenced by Renaissance art and traditional French painting. His later work demonstrated a focus on form, structure, and muted tones, reflecting his interest in historical art tradition. During World War I, Darin served in the French army. After the war, his artistic output slowed, but he continued to create striking works that blended modernity with classicism. In the 1920s and 1930s, he explored set design for theater and ballet, collaborating with companies like the Ballet's Roses. Andrew Durant's contribution to art left a lasting impact on modernism. He first period in particular inspired generation for artists to experiment with color and emotion. Darren died on 8 September 1954 in France after being struck by a car despite his relatively quiet later years. His innovative spirit remains celebrated in art history. Today, Duran's work are displayed in major museums worldwide, reminding us of his grand approach to creativity and his pivotal role in the evolution of modern art. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.